Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning, I'm going to prepare my Kamira coffee. So if someone is asking you, what is this machine? This is a Kamira coffee machine. You can make a good and creamy espresso. And for sure, if you taste the finished product of this Kamira, you will say, all the coffee in the bars or in the restaurant is nothing, because Kamira is more tastier, more creamier, and you can do it at home, like me. So let's go. I'm excited to taste my Kamira. So guys, let's start. So guys, here's my Kamira coffee. Ciao! So tasty and so creamier. You must try this one, guys. Kamira coffee is the best. Ciao! Have a good day!
Following these instructions carefully and you will discover how quick and easy it is to prepare excellent rich espresso with Kamira. Preparation with filter holder for 1 cup. Bring the lever that is under the water tank to the horizontal position. Lift the water tank cover and fill it only with half a tank of water. Bring the valve to the vertical position to fill the boiler and close the water tank cover. Remove the filter holder and fill it with the desired amount of coffee. Tap it lightly. Level off and clean the border. Insert the filter holder and return the valve back to the horizontal position and put Kamira on the stove. Put the cup on the boiler, light an average stove and set the burner to medium. And when the coffee starts brewing with beads of cream, set the burner high for at least 10 or so seconds and let the coffee keep brewing. And lastly, turn the valve slowly to the vertical position to flush the residual pressure and stop brewing. Kamira Espresso, a moment of intense pleasure.